Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. There are a couple of things I need to make clear on investing in foreign currency on the Forex market. Now, if you watched my video on who's controlling the Forex market and why foreign currency investors should care, then you know I recommended an ebook entitled Forex for Beginners by Anna Cooley. The link to that video is in the top right-hand side of your screen, and also it will be at the end of this video. During this video, I introduced the Forex market symbolized as a gorilla, and I implied that the 10 top banks in the world who are controlling the Forex market are baby gorillas. Now, none of these banks are worth $5 trillion by themselves, and that is the average currency exchange amount on the Forex market each day. However, together, these 10 banks control right around 80% of the Forex market. I also made a statement that the Forex market, for me and to me, is a monkey see, monkey do kind of investment. When the big banks buy, you buy. When the big banks sell, you sell. But first, you must understand how the market works. I chose Anna Cooley to explain the basics. And today I'm recommending her book, Volume Price Analysis. She says, read the book, then read the market. But basically, this is my way of saying learn how to know what the big banks are doing so you can apply your monkey see, monkey do technique. Through volume, you can analyze the market's next move and get a real understanding of what the banks are doing. Now, I have put links in the description to videos that Anna has uploaded right here on YouTube on the subject of VPA, which is Volume Price Analysis. How far you take this training is up to you. Try trading before investing large sums in training. There are so many different trading strategies. Until you have your own experience, you can't always know which training is best for you or which training fits your cash flow. Check out the books, check out the videos, and then you'll have a better understanding of what to do next. Of course, we now know that the Iraqi dinar is listed on the Forex market. However, the larger platforms are not trading the currency at this time. However, they are trading the Vietnam dong and the Malaysian ringgit. You know the drill.